Welcome to my channel. Setting up your NETGEAR Nighthawk CAX30? Follow these simple steps to get online fast. Step 1. Connect cable and power. Connect the coax cable from your wall outlet to the CAX30 modem router. Then plug in the power and turn it on. Step 2. Wait for online light. Wait a few minutes until the online light becomes stable. This means the modem is ready. Step 3. Activate with ISP. Now activate your modem with your internet provider using their website or app. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi network. Connect your phone or laptop to the default Wi-Fi network printed on the router label. Step 5. Set up via Nighthawk app. Download the Nighthawk app and follow the instructions to set your Wi-Fi name and password. Step 6. Finish setup and test internet. Once setup is complete, test your internet connection to make sure everything is working perfectly. That's it, your Nighthawk CAX30 is ready. Subscribe for more quick setup guides. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.